What's happening, YouTube? Today we're gonna install a new headlights for my Ram 1500. Hopefully you guys can learn something. Hopefully I learned something and we can share the knowledge. Actually I have my little helper here, Miss Dukes. Say hi to the camera. Say hi everybody. Say, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna install the headlights. Alright, are you gonna help? Alright, are you ready? Alright, say let's go. First thing first, I'm gonna pop the hood, see what we got. We're gonna have to take off all these little latches. Here is one. There's one right here. All around. You gotta take that piece off so we can take the grill. So let's get to it. We're gonna have to take some bolts. There's one here. One here, one over here, and one right here. There's 4 total bolts that we have to unscrew. This is the first time I'm doing this, so bear with me. If it seems like I don't know what I'm doing, it's because I don't know what I'm doing. So now, I should just be able to play with this. Off. Voila. Alright, now that we took the grill out, there's 2 bolts. One here, and then one here that's holding the headlights. And also we're gonna have to turn the wheels. There's a latch behind the headlight, which is right here. We're gonna have to take that out and pull it to release the headlights. Right, got my 2 screws out. So now we gotta get the latch. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but I'll do my best to show you. Alright, pull this latch out. Make sure we don't lose anything. Should be able to put my hands in there and feel it. It's hard to see that latch in the back, so I'm gonna show you guys from the front what it looks like. Yeah. Go. Alright, now we're gonna turn and twist. there's a red button or knob, or however you're gonna call it. You have to pull back before you can take the lights out. There we go. Got this. This is the latch I was talking about. You just gotta put it up. Push it up, and then it's gonna unlatch to the light. And then when you put the light back on, push this down to lock it up. We got a light off, so we're gonna have to work on this to make the connection for our other light. Alright guys, so the only thing to keep in mind is on those lights I'm gonna install, let me show you. It's the one that has the OLED light on. So in order to have these stay on, they come with 2 extra wires. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, focus right there. Okay, those extra wires, your parking lights, you're gonna have to split those wires. Some people do it right there at the end, but I'm just gonna go and make an opening around here. So what we're gonna have to do is match the wires. Basically find your ground and your positive. So we all know the black is the ground, so we're gonna match the black with the black, and then actually the one in the middle, I don't know if you can see, I need to focus. The wire in the middle will be our positive, so that'll be the white wires from the light itself. So I'm just gonna attach these two, and then that's all we have to do, and then the rest is just plug and play basically. Alright, so I have these connections from AutoZone or Auto Parts, one of them. That's what I'm gonna use to connect those wires together. I got extra wires, probably way too much, but and this is like a splitter basically. What that is? Yeah, it's a quick splice. Alright, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing right now. Put my wires on this side, and then I need, there you go. Put the other wire I'm on, get the juice out from my other black wires on the other side. Okay, and then put the one I want, connect it to. Then we're gonna push down on this right. Actually, we're gonna close it. Never done this before, guys, so bear with me. Go. I think we got it now. It's back. Should be our connection for the black wire. I just tap on that one, and now we're gonna do the white one. So I'm just gonna go on the other side. So go and get them. connection. Should get something for the heat, I guess, but not too good with wires. So I'm just gonna put some electrical tape on it and call it a day. Somebody get it. We put it in there. So try it.
Tell me how to done.
Alright guys, so it did not work. One of my connection is not connected. So I know this is right. So I don't know if this is my problem right here. So I'm gonna disconnect it. Alright, so this actually did not work. This is a piece of shit. Cause it didn't get in the wire enough for the connection. So I think that is my problem. So I'm just gonna do straight connection. After we connect all of our wires, just remember the extra 2 wires you have to plug it to the positive and negative from the turn signal. Like basically. And then we're good to go. Just gotta make sure all of our wires is out of the way. Go. We'll go behind the wheel and pull our latch down. I think that's the hardest part. There we go. Alright. Latch down. Now all we have to do is get the bolt back in place. Right, now I can take a protection cover. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, looks way better than the regular ones. Looks sexy and mean at the same time. Yeah, I like it. As you can tell, these are way better than the factory lights. Not they don't look good, but they don't look as good. So now, all I have to do is put the grill back on. Nice. Put the grill back on. pretty easy. All you have to do is insert. There's little knobs on each side that needs to go in specific holes. As soon as you have those in, you're good to go. You can put your bolts back on top, 4 bolts, and voila. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, make sure you like and subscribe. Like this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. We'll do a lot more to this truck. This is just the beginning. So give this video a big thumb up. Make sure you hit the bell. Thank you for watching. I will leave the link of the lights in the description below. If you like them, go buy them. I think they were a good purchase. I will make a video about a year from now, I'll say. This way I can see how they hold out. By the way, I ordered the backlight. I don't know if you scroll down my videos. The first set of tail lights I ordered, didn't like them too much. They look pretty factory. They look similar to those, but they were all red, which kind of look factory to me. So I sent them back and got me the same ones, but those were smoked, all black. I'm not going for the black on black look because everybody has that look. Trying to go more black and chrome, I'll say. Looking to get a bullhorn soon. And I've blown myself now Super 440. I made a lot of mods to this truck. So if you want to see all I have on it and all I installed so far, let me know down in the comments below. I'll make a video about that. I have other videos of other things I installed. But this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah! This is a high beam. High beam.